Good morning, everybody. How's everyone doing? I'm here still in Albuquerque at a TA truck stop. Next stop is probably going to be AutoZone. Going to try to get some oil, make sure all liquids are up to a good level. Oh, what a bummer. First AutoZone closed for maintenance. It's a Wednesday and they're closed for maintenance. And it's about, I'd say 9 o'clock. What the heck? Time to find another AutoZone. Well, at least at this AutoZone, the guy was very helpful. He even came out, checked my OBD2 connector. He said he found nothing. So that's awesome. But I did buy some oil, and now we're gonna check the oil levels, even though this ground isn't perfectly level, but we're not like on a hill. And I'll see if I need any more oil in this beast. Sorry, Buzzbomb, didn't mean to call you a beast. But we'll add some oil if we need to right now, and then we'll head over to a friend of a friend's place, and we'll see if he could check anything on the transmission in the next day or two. Well, Buzzbomb over here was thirsty. She took the whole quart. So what we have to do now is go to an advanced auto team. That's about, I want to say a 7-mile drive, 11 minutes, I'm saying. And then when we get over there, hopefully he can set my mind at ease. Because now that the fluids are okay, everything should be working okay, unless it's the aluminum body expanding when it gets too hot. If I do drive out of town towards Vegas, I will drive it for an hour, pull it over, let it cool down. That's the only way I could really be sure about this long distance through the desert. Hey, I'm sitting here at Maverick. It's not cheap. If I wanted to get the Econo Plus gas, which has more ethanol in it, which might not work for my van because again, it's a Super Duty van, I could have gotten that for cheaper. But the gas here is $3.09 for regular unleaded. And I just picked up some ice and cigarettes. I'm gonna park outside one of the auto places right now and wait for them to see if they wanna do my van in this afternoon. So I just pulled in to Cliff's Amusement Park. I'm gonna go talk to the administration, and I'm gonna go ahead and see if they need some magic here. If I do magic here for the weekend, then I won't go out to Vegas. And then on Monday, I could get my car fixed. Across the street is TD's Show Club. It just shows the cities. It doesn't tell me what they do. I wonder what they do. It's a nice looking castle type building. So I talked to somebody at the management office, and they were telling me that the management is in the park right now. And they would take my number and name and give it to them when they come back. I might go in the park right now depending on the admission price, because I'm not riding the rides today, I don't think. But I think I just want to walk around the park. Maybe get some fair food, festival food, carnival food, that kind of thing. See, they have substantial ride there, you know. They have a roller coaster right there and that big swing ride. It's really high up. It's getting me dizzy just looking at it. Online, Cliffs said, like, on one of the forums, it was only $6 for general admission to not go on the rides. So maybe that's what I'll do. Just want a snack, maybe meet up with the manager. Well, there's the prices. So I guess I'm paying $15 plus tax. But it might be good to see what's available here if I want to come back. And I could purchase single rides if I want. I just love theme parks. It's one of my favorites. Now, I don't know where to go, but I figure I'd talk to management first before I start snacking. And I'm only gonna be here for a little while because I want to get back to the auto place to see if they could do anything today. It'd be nice if I could work here for the weekend and maybe for the rest of the summer. Here's some water attractions. Everything is classified by wristbands. Some more of the rides. And more of the rides. Doesn't look like this one's in action right here. 'Cause there's boats there, but doesn't look like it's a good landing. Some midway right here, including whack-a-mole and this crazy contraption ride. Two of my favorite rides right here, Music Express and the Buccaneer. Those are my two favorite rides. It's better when Music Express used to do like the canopy over it and stuff like that. And here is a Mister. Hey, Mister. I did do some magic to the employees here. They were trying to locate the management for me. Still no luck yet. We'll see what happens in the future. Dog flume looks fun. I love rides like this, but it's really disappointing to do it by yourself. I need a friend here with me. Come on, band dwellers, where are you? So these look like the pavilions, right there and right there. I guess that's Orange Crush and that's Pepsi. But either way, looks like there could be some entertainment in there in the future. Who knows? Okay, one thing, I thought it was creepy that I was filming a lot of the rides when I'm single out here and there are kids in there and none of them are my kids. The second thing that was really funny too, I was talking to the girl giving re-entry tickets in case I want to come back, and it was pretty good, hitting it back and forth, hitting it off, and did some magic for her. She's like, yeah, I gotta hire you for some of my house parties. And then I overheard her saying that today was her last day. And I was like, oh, is that true? And she goes, yeah. She goes, I gotta start high school. She didn't look that young, I'm telling you, but holy crap. I got to get my eyes checked. Maybe wear glasses more often. It's so hot in my van, my friggin' mirror fell down. I guess I don't notice the heat that much since I'm in New Orleans, but that is crazy. My mirror came off. Well, before I start doing some work on my mirror here, the end result is this. I talked to a manager as I was exiting, and the manager said, well, the hiring manager's in meetings all day. I said, well, she's got my number. She also recommended that I go through their applying process online. And I said above that, I will actually send an email to the general email, letting them know that I was here. And it might not be a bad place to work all summer. Again, all I'm doing is traveling and staying in my van. Might be fun to stay up here if I can find a shady spot. Meanwhile, I gotta check my solar because the battery's already charging from my DC to DC charger, so I gotta make sure my batteries are topped off. Yay, for my mirror and also my hair. Well, I'm in the Home Depot parking lot. I see a Winnebago down there, a Mini Winnie. I see another one passing by. And I saw this little beauty here. This is a VW Winnebago. And I saw it's all set up on the inside. I see that they have solar going in through the top there. The owner is not around. And I do see water tanks there too, which is kind of nice. This might be the owner here. Hey, what's up? I like your Winnebago here. I got to talk to the guy who owned the VW, and he was very nice, and he actually talked about tranny problems too. It was about his stick. And now I'm going to glue my mirror back. All right, I'm leaving Advanced Auto Team right now. They're saying, well, one of the guys is saying, I'm not gonna name names, that the tranny's bad. I think this is unfair assessment, because he didn't even drive it. He's just listening to what I'm telling him. I think it might be the pump that's bad. I'm gonna go to Budget, schedule the appointment, and maybe see if I can get a ride out to Vegas if I don't hear back from the amusement park. Yeah, van life YouTubers love to show their view, how classy it is. This is where I'm parked right now. Parked at the TA. The reason why I parked here is because it's central. It's got places with ice and beer. It's secure to an extent. Right now, I might not stay in this parking spot here. Might move it. I see something more flat over in that direction, so I might do that. Now, the story on the van. It's still shifting weird, especially downshifting. It's downshifting hard. It's not leaking. The fluid is still cherry. I think it's a pump problem. If I stay here Monday or till Monday, hopefully I find a job that will give me income while I'm here. I don't want to just sit in a parking lot and keep on drinking beer. If I could get it fixed, which I doubt, then I'd drive to Vegas. If I could get a ride, I might go to Vegas. Keep on getting notices about my phone being too hot. This is crazy out here. Gonna have a beer and cool down inside. Now, if this is new to you and you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do. New subscribers, put a grin on my face every time, whatever place. And if you liked my video, please give me a thumbs up. And you could always comment and let me know if I'm doing something wrong, what I should be doing better, or if you just want to say, hi, hello, Tommy, you're awesome, blah, blah, blah. It's awesome to see you guys watching my videos. It means something to me because I am lonely out here on the road. Sometimes it sucks when you're alone on the road. You know, the internet is the only thing that cheers you up and stuff like that. But I hope everyone is having fun out there. Whether or not you're in a van or you're at home, please have a fun time. And put a smile on your face as you put one on mine. Thank you.